everyone. Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all well. So, today we are going to start a lecture number 2 of chapter 5th. In lecture number 1, we have discussed about the Simon Commission, Nehru Committee, and movements during the com- complete independence. So, come to the page number 31. So, in first lecture, we have learnt about the Simon Commission, how to make this committee, and there is not a single person of an Indian member, and that's why the Indian opposed, but the Britishers rejected this recommendation. Then they about the Nehru Committee and demand for the complete independence in 1929. I hope you all remember this all. And then now we start the new topic. There is a Dandi Yatra. It is very important for the exam purpose. So please underline the important points and also try to learn this topic right now. So Dandi Yatra from March 12th to April 6, 1930. So Dandi Yatra was started from 12th March and they completed on the 6th March 1930. So as a part of civil disobedience movement, Gandhiji decided to go to Dandi village by its sea coast to break the salt law because at that time Britishers take some cost on salt also. So and the salt is a very नॉर्मल थिंग्स एंड सॉल्ट पे कोई ऐसी टैक्स वगैरह नहीं होनी चाहिए बट स्टिल ब्रिटिशर्स चार्ज टैक्स ऑन सोल्ट एंड देन गांधी जी डिसाइडेड टू गो टू डांडी एंड break the salt law. So on the 11th March evening, in the assembly of thousands of people, the message of Satyagraha was sent. Even if people got arrested, with firm determination of non-violence, struggle against government continued. लोगों पीपल को अरेस्ट किया गया, कितना प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट किया, स्टिल उन लोगों ने ये कंटिन्यू किया था कि गवर्नमेंट के अगेंस्ट स्ट्रगल तो करना ही है. Then on 12th March 1930, under his leadership, Gandhiji commenced Dandi Yatra with his supporters from Harijan Ashram, now Gandhi Ashram, singing the hymn Vaishnava Jana To Tene Re Kahiye Je Peed Par Jane Re. Gandhiji said in Dandi Yatra, brave never run away from struggle. The one who runs by seeing the struggle is not brave. Then गांधी जी ने 12 मार्च को 1930 12 मार्च को डांडी यात्रा स्टार्ट की फ्रॉम द हरिजन आश्रम और ये सॉन्ग के साथ वैष्णव जन तो तेनेरे कहिए और स्लोगन दिया कि जो भी लोग स्ट्रगल से भागते हैं वो ब्रेव नहीं है और जो ब्रेव हैं they never run away from struggle. Under the leadership of Gandhiji, Sarojini Naidu, Mahadevbhai Desai, etc. started Dandi March. This march was 370 kilometers, which included Aslali, Bareja, Nadiad, Anand, Boryavli, Ras, Jambusar, then Bharuch, Surat, Navsari, as well as small and large regions. These all the march total 370 kilometers and included the cities or the places like Bareja, Navsari, Surat, Bharuch and other small and large regions. So during a Dandi march in these regions, people were explaining the reason for civil disobedience. During the Dandi march, people were explaining the reason for civil disobedience movement and breaking the salt law. Gandhiji told it, but March 29, 1930. I shall die the death of crow and dog, but I will not return to this ashram without attaining the Purna Swaraj. गांधी जी ने क्या बोला कि हम कुत्ते और कौवे से मौत मरेंगे, बट विदाउट पूर्ण स्वराज हम आश्रम पे रिटर्न नहीं आने वाले. सो प्लीज अंडरलाइन दिस स्लोगन. आई शैल डाई द डेथ ऑफ crow and dog, but I will not return to this ashram without attaining the Purna Swaraj. When will this question ask or come to the your papers? So you have to write this slogan compulsory, because with this slogan your answers will more better. So as a dandy march passed through these small and large towns, people used to clean the village roads, decorate their houses with toran and shows, consigns for this satyagraha. So Dandi Yatra had a wonderful effect in creating astonishing faith, unity and consciousness among the people. डांडी यात्रा एक ऐसी वंडरफुल इफेक्ट थी जिन्होंने लोगों में एक कॉन्शियसनेस, एक यूनिटी, एक फेथ थी वो क्रिएट की. एंड द होल नेशन वाज एनवेलप्ड इन द वे ऑफ सत्याग्रह. एंड पूरा नेशन था वो सत्याग्रह में छूट गया था. गांधी जी along with his colleague and supporter reached Dandi after 24 days of march. It is the 5th April 1930, and on the early morning of April 6th at 6:30 am, Gandhiji broke the salt law by picking up a handful of salt from the sea coast. गांधी जी उनके कलीग और सपोर्टर के साथ आफ्टर द 24 डेज पहुंच गए थे दांडी को 5th अप्रैल को. एंड देन 6th अप्रैल अर्ली मॉर्निंग 6:30 को गांधी जी ने सोल्ट लो ब्रेक करने का किया और हाथ में वो सोल्ट लिया. एंड देन इन लाउड वॉइस गांधी जी स्टेटेड दैट आई हैव ब्रोकन द सोल्ट लो. आई हैव ब्रोकन द सोल्ट लो. एंड वाइल एड्रेसिंग द पीपल गैदर्ड, एंड वहाँ पे जो लोग इकट्ठे हुए थे उनको एड्रेस करते हुए बोला, ही अटर्ड आई बाय दिस इवेंट एंड अप्लाइंग द सोल टू फाउंडेशन ऑफ बिल्डिंग इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ब्रिटिश एम्पायर. सी उन्होंने, आप शॉर्ट में मैं एक स्टोरी बोलूँ तो 12 मार्च 1930 को स्टार्ट किया था हरिजन आश्रम से. और किसके साथ, तो कि वैष्णव जन को गाने के साथ. फिर उनके साथ सरोजिनी नायडू, महादेव भाई देसाई एक्सेट्रा वे जॉइन. देन टोटल ये मैच थी वो 370 किलोमीटर्स की थी. उसमें अलग अलग टाइप, अलग अलग रीजन्स मीन्स सिटीज़ लाइक नवसारी, सूरत, भरूच, जंबूसर एक्सेट्रा थे. ड्यूरिंग दांडी मैच people explain reason for the civil disobedience, and also Gandhiji told that I shall die the death of crow and dog, but I will not return to this ashram without attaining Purna Swaraj. Or during the march, during the Dandi march, he passed through these small and large towns, and people most used to clean the village roads and also decorate the houses with torans, and also this effect create a faith, unity and consciousness among the people. And after the 24 days, Gandhiji reached the Dandi at 5th April 1930, and at the 6th April early morning 6:30 am, Gandhiji broke the soul law. Shri Mahadev Bhai Desai has compared this event as a Mahabhinishkraman, the great renunciation. Journalist, photographer, writer, historian of India and across the world visited and published the report about what they witnessed in their own newspaper and booklets. जर्नलिस्ट एंड फोटोग्राफर्स, राइटर्स पूरे वर्ल्ड के और इंडिया के वहाँ पे विज़िट की थी और उन लोगों ने अपने न्यूज़पेपर्स एंड बुकलेट्स में पूरा रिपोर्ट पब्लिश किया था. Like this, Dandi Yatra, which started from Sabarmati Ashram on 12th March, was nationally acclaimed, achieved its physical completion, but it started applying salt to the foundation of building in the form of British Empire. And also civil disobedience movement generated new national consciousness among the people of India. So British police beat them mercilessly, lathi charge, arrest, shooting and oppression on women and children continued, but the agitation did not decrease. ये सब हुआ, दांडी यात्रा हुई, ब्रॉक सोल्ट लो ब्रेक हुआ, उनकी वजह से ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने लाठीचार्ज स्टार्ट किया एंड अरेस्ट शूटिंग सब वुमेन पे ऑपरेशन चिल्ड्रन ऑपरेशन ये सब स्टार्ट किया कि अगर वो लोग ऐसा करें तो हम हमारा जो एजिटेशन है आंदोलन जो है वो स्टॉप कर दे बट स्टिल इंडियन पब्लिक कंटिन्यूड द एजिटेशन एंड दैट डिड नॉट decrease. So Dandi Yatra is a very memorable event in our history. So here we complete the three paragraph of Dandi Yatra. Now you just read it and then we continue this topic. So first you read this first para in 10 to 20 seconds, then second para 10 to 20 seconds, and the third para, and then we'll start the fourth paragraph of Dandi Yatra. See students, again I tell you this topic is very important for examination for 4 to 5 marks short note. Dandi Yatra is a very important question for exam purpose. So now it's your turn, just 10 to 20 seconds, read the first paragraph. In examination, you have to write at least 10 to 15 points and covered all the important points from this topic because word by word लिखना possible नहीं है बहुत big short note है so you should write only 10 to 15 points which is important and covered all the important points. Okay, done. First paragraph. Good. Now, next 10 to 15 seconds, read the second paragraph and see inside the Dandi March route given in peak from Sabarmati to Dandi. Sabarmati to Nadiad, Nadiad to Anand, Anand to Bosat, Bosat to Ras, Ras to Jambusar, Jambusar to Bharuch, Bharuch to Mangrove, Surat, Navsari, and finally Dandi. Read this para. Okay, done. Good. Now read this. Next 10 to 15 seconds. Done. Please underline the important words like Mahabhinishkraman. Then this the whole sentence I shall die the death of. Then also just a second. And also this sentence like brave never run away from struggle and the one who runs by seeing the struggle is not brave. These all points are very important and impressive your answer. Okay, done? Good. Now, next page. During a Dandi match, numbers of constructive programs like boycott of foreign clothes, prohibition of liquor, removing untouchability, Hindu Muslim unity, and oath to do social service, etc. were held. See, during the Dandi match, many important and good events were constructed, like foreign clothes त्याग करना, बॉयकॉट मीन्स छोड़ना, त्याग करना मीन्स कभी उनको यूज नहीं करना. सो बॉयकॉट ऑफ फॉरेन क्लोथ्स, प्रोहिबिशन ऑफ लीकर, देन रिमूविंग अनटचेबिलिटी कि भी ये लोअर कास्ट का है और ये अपर कास्ट का है, तो अपर कास्ट का लोअर कास्ट के साथ कोई रिलेशन वगैरह नहीं, तो वो सब दूर किया गया, रिमूव किया गया अनटचेबिलिटी. देन हिंदू मुस्लिम यूनिटी एंड ऑल्सो ओथ टू दी डू सोशल सर्विसेज etc. were held. Dandi Yatra and breaking of sold law brought not only the nationwide consciousness, but it brought frame in aspect of non-violent struggle and movement वर्ल्ड. ये सोल्ड लो ब्रेक करने के लिए जो दांडी यात्रा जो की थी, एंड सोल्ड लो जो था वो ब्रेक करने किया, वो ओनली नेशन वाइड कॉन्शसनेस नहीं थी, बट it brought a fame in aspect of non-violent struggle and also the movements worldwide. Procession, programs, and assemblies were conducted for boycotting foreign goods, prohibition of foreign liquor, and picketing on liquor making, not giving revenue tax, satyagraha for removal of untouchability. Please underline the words. Please underline procession, programs, assembly were conducted for boycotting foreign goods, prohibition of foreign liquor, picketing on liquor making, not giving revenue tax, and satyagraha for removal of untouchability. Underline these words and please highlight these words in your answer when you write this question in your exam. So to weaken this agitation and struggles, the government started the लाठी चार्ज, imprisonment and other atrocities. और ये सब करने की वजह किया, इसीलिए ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने लाठी चार्ज स्टार्ट किया, इम्प्रिजनमेंट, सबको जेल में डालने लगे. बट पीपल रिएक्ट बाय डिस्ट्रॉइंग रेलवे स्टेशन, पोस्ट ऑफिस, पुलिस स्टेशन एंड अदर गवर्नमेंट बिल्डिंग्स. गवर्नमेंट ने ये सब स्टार्ट किया, लाठी चार्ज एंड एक्सेट्रा, तो पब्लिक ने रेलवे स्टेशन डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया, पोस्ट ऑफिस डिस्ट्रॉय कर दी, पुलिस स्टेशन एंड ऑल्सो अदर गवर्नमेंट बिल्डिंग्स जो थी वो भी डिस्ट्रॉय करने की स्टार्ट कर दी. Incidents like agitation held under the leadership of Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Frontier Gandhi at Wadala, Bombay, struggle against foreign liquor under the leadership of Kasturba Gandhi in Bombay, Gharshan in Surat, and in a Viramgam during the Sold Law agitation, renunciation of government services as well as removal of children from government schools were the major highlights of this movement. अपने चाइल्ड को गवर्नमेंट स्कूल से रिमूव कर देना, देन सूरत में घर्षण और विरमगाम में सोल्ट लो एजिटेशन, देन फॉरेन लिकर अगेंस्ट स्ट्रगल under the leadership of Kasturba, then under the leadership of Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Frontier Gandhi at Wadala, ये सब इंसिडेंट्स थे वो एजिटेशन में स्टार्ट कर दिए गए थे. एंड ये मोस्टली गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में से अपने बच्चों को रिमूवल करना were the major highlights of this movement. See, after this movement, British government afraid from the Indian public. See, that's why I told you. Please, this topic is a little much big compared to others and also very important. So if you don't have any idea which point should write in exams answers, so you should refer digest or other materials and also ask me कि मैम कौन से पॉइंट लिखने हैं, तो मैं आपको वो टिक करवाऊँगी. प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट थ्रू और एल्स मुझे कोई अदर ऑप्शन से आप पूछ सकते हो. सो नाउ गिव यू अ 2 to 3 minutes for all the revisions of Dandi Yatra. First I revised and then you should read this. एंड मैं पॉइंट्स जो बोलूँगी वो ही आपको टिक करने हैं. सो पूरे ये टॉपिक में से आपको एटलीस्ट 10 to 15 पॉइंट्स करने हैं. फर्स्ट, as a part of civil disobedient movements to break the sold law. Second point, on 12th March 1930 under his leadership to Harijan Ashram singing Vaishnavism in Dandi Yatra. Second point. Third point, Gandhiji said, brave never run away. Then total 370 kilometers की थी. I shall die the death of crow and dog. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points हो गए. 6th point में आपको ये cities के नाम लिखने, at least 3 to 4 लिखो and then etc. 7th point, during the Dandi March past, people used to clean village roads, decorate their houses with torans and consigns for this satyagraha. 8th point, Dandi Yatra have wonderful effect in creating faith, unity and consciousness among people. 9th point, Gandhiji reached Dandi after 24 days. On 6th April 6:30 am, he broke the salt law by picking up the handful of salt to the British Empire. Full point. So total 10 points complete. Next, you should write Mahabhinishkramal wala point. Then 12th March was nationally acclaimed, achieved its physical completion wala point. And 12th point, journalists, photographers, writers. Then at least other 2 to 3 points, whichever you like from this paragraph. आपको जो पॉइंट इजी लगे आप लिख सकते हो, बट मैंने जो बोला कि ये जो न्यूमेरिकल इन्फॉर्मेशन है डेट वाली, किलोमीटर्स वाली, और ये जो हाईलाइट किया है स्लोगन और ऊपर एक जो स्लोगन दिया है वो आपको कंपलसरी कवर करना है. ओके, सो नाउ you have 2 to 3 minutes for revised whole the Dandi March. And then we'll moving on the next topic. Start the revise. This is all the short nut. Because अगर आप if you read then only you have doubts. Otherwise not. Please fast reading. 1 minute left. Last paragraph. Okay, done. So next, Gandhi Event Pact, Roundtable Conference and Moratorium Satyagraha. Gandhiji was called upon by Britishers for the Roundtable Conference related to constitutional structure and reforms. गांधी जी को ब्रिटिशर्स द्वारा बुलाया गया था for the Roundtable Conference, and that conference arranged for the constitutional structure and reforms. The first Roundtable Conference was held, but with the absence of Congress leader. It was full time. So, to reconcile with Congress, a pact between Gandhiji and Irving was made, which was known as Gandhi Irving Pact. in which permission of free collection or manufacture of salt by person near the sea coast and permission of peaceful picketing with the main points. Main points consist the first permission of peaceful picketing and the second one is the collection, free collection and manufacturing of salt by a person near the sea coast. These all are the events of the first round table. And in the second round table conference, Gandhiji was only the representative from the Congress, and the Britishers had discriminating the points for various religious committees, to which the Gandhiji was deeply disappointed, and therefore the conference was dissolved. Because in the second round table, many of points discriminated by the Britishers, and that's why the Gandhiji was deeply disappointed, and that's why that conference was dissolved. So, in a roundtable conference, there is a two roundtable conference arranged at that time, and in the first, Gandhiji agreed, but in the second, he was deeply disappointed and disagree, and that's why the second roundtable conference was dissolved. It is a very small topic and not that much important. So, in today's lecture, we learned about the Dandi Yatra, and during the Dandi Yatra, which type of events and agitations हुए वो सब हमने लर्न किए एंड ऑल्सो एक्सप्लेन किया मैंने. देन नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में हमने राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस के बारे में सीखा कि विच टाइप ऑफ राउंड टेबल, हाउ मेनी राउंड टेबल्स कॉन्फ्रेंस अरेंज्ड, and what is the aim of round table conference. So it is related to the constitutional structure and reforms. So now note down the today's homework. Write a short note on Dandi Yatra, at least 15 points. Write a short note on Dandi Yatra or Dandi match, at least 15 points you should write. Next topic, first round table conference and also write about the second round table conference. And from the next lecture, we start the Quit India movement. Here we done today's topic. Now we not start the new topic. So now you just read the table conference, and then again I repeat the homework and you should note down. First read the round table conference topic. Done? Good. So now again I repeat the homework. Write a short note on Dandi match. 15 points. Please don't write in paragraph. And the second question, write a note about first round table conference and the second round table conference और गांधी इवेंट पैक्ट, दोनों तरीके से पूछ सकते हैं. Okay, I hope you all cleared about the Dandi Yatra and also round table conference. Still if you have any doubt then you can ask me through comment, because अभी स्कूल का तो कुछ पॉसिबल नहीं है. According to current situation, school will not start, so we have the option only the YouTube. So you can ask me any question, any doubt through comment and try to understand these videos. If in first time you don't understand, then see again second time, third time, with at least 2 to 3 times you see this video, and then you can easily understood and learn. Okay, so here we done today's lecture. I hope you all understood and enjoyed today's lecture. So we'll meet on next lecture. Goodbye everyone.